Hey guys, how's it going? How to check voter status without internet. So, look up the phone number of your local or state election office and call them. They can provide your voter status over the phone. Go to your local election office or designated polling place. Bring identification if possible to help them locate your records. And some local organizations may offer assistance in checking voter status and can help you verify your info. These methods will help you confirm your voter registration status without needing internet access. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.